Hello friends, welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our quick revision series Prelims Atulya. In today's session, we'll discuss about sustainable agricultural practices and systems. Actually, we are continuing this previous session. In the previous session, we discussed about organic farming, okay, and natural farming. Under natural farming, we discussed about zero budget natural farming, and then we discussed about rice intensification system. Okay, and in today's session, first we'll talk about conservation agriculture. So under this conservation agriculture, you want to maximize the productivity. Obviously, you want the high productivity, but your focus is on improving the soil fertility. So productivity you want to increase, at the same time you want to improve the soil fertility. So under this system, we adopt the conservatory approach. Okay, you want to conserve the soil, you want to maintain the soil fertility, we want to improve the soil moisture. So this is the approach under conservation agriculture. So it is based on integrated management of soil, water and agricultural resources in order to reach the objective of economically, ecologically and socially sustainable agriculture. Okay, now let's talk about the integrated farming system. Now under this integrated farming system, you want to utilize your other agricultural enterprises. It means under this system, all your agricultural enterprises are interconnected. Okay, so you are practicing agriculture, okay, fish production, livestock, it means animal husbandry, forestry, etc. So all these enterprises are combined within one system. Okay, and all these resources are utilized for maximum economical gain. So here you are focusing on the economy part. Okay, so here also waste from this sector, from this enterprise is recycled. It might be used here in the agricultural section. Waste from animal husbandry, it is being used again in agricultural sector. So all these enterprises are interconnected, interdependent under this integrated farming system, and here you are trying to maximize the economical gain. Now let's talk about the agroforestry. Now under agroforestry, what you are doing is that you are practicing proper agriculture. It means you are growing crops, along with that you are growing trees also. Okay, so trees plus crops. So here the idea is to make some additional money. So in case of crops failure, at least you can make some money by selling the wood, because you'll get some wood, timber from the trees that you are growing. So you can make some additional financial gain. Okay, now if you see that if you are growing trees, then it is good for the soil also, because it is good for the stability of the soil. Okay, because it will improve the soil fertility, it will reduce the soil degradation. So from that perspective as well, it is very useful. Now let's talk about integrated pest management. Here what you are doing is you are putting natural pest control mechanism. Okay, so what you are doing is you are trying to control the pest attack using natural methods. Okay, so you want to reduce the use of pesticide, and even if you are using it, it must be economically justified. Okay, so you have to understand it. So you are trying to put natural pest control mechanism in place because you want to reduce the attack of pest, and even if you have to use the pesticides, it must be economically justifiable. Now, so this is integrated pest management. So this integrated pest management, it emphasizes the growth of healthy crop with the least possible disruption to agro ecosystems. So you do not want to cause the harm to the environment, you do not want to pollute the water resources, and even if you have to use, you'll use it in a very efficient manner. Now let's talk about the precision farming. Now, as the name suggests, under this farming you use your resources in a precise manner, in an exact amount. So your farm inputs are utilized in a precise manner so that you can get the best productivity. Okay, so here you use some technological tools, modern tools, ICT tools like information and communication tools. Okay, so we record the data, we analyze that data, and after that we apply that knowledge while using our resources. Okay, so that we use the optimum amount of resources in our fields. Okay, so this is the idea behind precision farming, and it is century's most valuable innovation in farm management, that is based on using information and communication technologies, ICTs. Okay, so remember about precision farming. Now let's talk about silvopastoral systems. So under this system, what you are doing is that you have pasture land, and on your pasture land you are growing trees also. Okay, so you have grassland, you are getting the food for your animals, you are getting the fodder, and besides that you are making some money also. Okay, because you are growing trees on the pasture land, on the grassland. Okay, now besides that, these trees provide shelter to your animals. So there are some other benefits also, that at times you might need shelter for your animals. And presence of trees is good for the soil also, because it reduces the soil degradation, it improves the soil fertility. So overall there are so many benefits of having trees. Okay, so you have to understand that this is also a kind of agroforestry. Now let's talk about vertical farming. Under vertical farming, you create the ecosystem for the agriculture. It means controlled environment agriculture. So it is soilless farming. Okay, so you utilize the space in your building. Okay, you use shipping containers, tunnels, abandoned mine shafts, okay, for this vertical farming. So here you can see the practice of growing crops vertically in stacked layers. See, one layer, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5, layer 6. So in layers you are growing the crops. Okay, so that's all I wanted to discuss in today's session. I hope you must have liked this video, and if you have liked it, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.